If you like this video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up, and to subscribe to our channel, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it to get the latest notification from Swaggy Amma. Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So today we are back with another recipe from the Konkani delicacy, Surna Sukya or yam stir fry. So to make this recipe, the ingredients required are 2 cups of finely chopped yam, 10 to 15 shallots finely chopped, a small piece of tamarind, half teaspoon of mustard seed, half teaspoon of jeera, salt as per taste, 1 teaspoon red chili powder and half a teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/3 cup of grated coconut. To begin with, soak the tamarind in half cup of hot water and remove the pulp after extracting the water out of it. Next, in a pressure cooker, prepare the tempering by adding 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, mustard seed and jeera. Once the tempering is prepared, add the finely chopped shallot and stir fry them until they turn soft. Add the yam and stir fry them as well. Now add the turmeric powder, red chili powder and salt. Add the tamarind water and mix everything well. Pressure cook the yam for about 4 to 5 whistles in high flame. Once the yam is well cooked, add the grated coconut and mix them well. Your tasty and delicious Surna Sukya is ready. This can be had as a side dish along with rice, chapati or roti. So do try this recipe at home and do let me know on how it was in the comment section. If you like this video, do not forget to share it along with your friends. Thanks for watching, and there are few more videos on your screen. Do click and enjoy them as well, and do not forget to subscribe.